Jamaican-born mother Voletta Wallace, mother of Notorious B.I.G, has passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaican-born Voletta Wallace, the dedicated mother of the late great rapper Notorious B.I.G and the protector of his legacy, died on Friday morning. She was aged 78 years old. Wallace died at her home in the suburb of Pennsylvania after a stint of hospice care. She died of natural causes. In a social media post it read, "It is with deep sadness that we announce the passing of Miss Voletta Wallace, the beloved mother of the Notorious B.I.G. Born in Trelawny Parish of Jamaica, Miss Wallace migrated to the United States, where she dedicated herself to nurturing young minds as a preschool teacher in Brooklyn, New York. Her unwavering strength and guidance not only shaped her son Christopher Wallace into a legendary figure in hip-hop, but also made her a maternal figure to the entire New York City community. We here at Links 007 TV extend our condolences to the family and our deepest gratitude to Miss Wallace for the blessing of hip-hop culture with one of the greatest rappers of all time. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.